Hey guys, we're back with another breakfast. While this one does include eggs, the bulk of it is chorizo and sweet potatoes. It's gonna be a sweet potato hash. Got some pre-made guac. It's gonna be awesome. So come right back and I'll show you a great way to start your day. Good paleo. You guys, I'm gonna peel the sweet potato. Sometimes I don't, but I recently read an article about the skins. We learned that most of the anti-nutrients are contained in the skin. I'm not super freaked out about that. Just thought I would peel the potato today because I was feeling frisky, all right? Run through this one quickly, stack them all up, and then we'll just come across. All right, and then we'll take a half of an onion, try to go for the same size as our potato. So this is 1 pound of chorizo. I'm just gonna use half of it. We'll break this up and flatten it out. It contains a lot of fat, and that'll provide the cooking agent for our potatoes and onions. You can see that didn't take long to render off that fat. So we'll go in sweet potatoes first, and onions on top. There we go. A little bit more color, and all we're going for is tenderness of potato. Good. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. We'll spread this out at the bottom of the pan. I'm gonna leave the lid off at this point, and that'll help crisp it up a little bit more. We're stopping to trap the moisture, dry it out. While that's going, we'll throw together our eggs, and then they'll both come together to perfection. Okay, here guys, just a little bit of olive oil, pan, crack my eggs. And for me, I like my eggs what I call under medium, where in culinary school, if your eggs are spitting at you or they bubble at all, that's up, thumbs down. But in the paleo test kitchen, we focus on crisp under crust, bubbles, spitting, that's all okay. And then we want the eggs to cook through so that they're about halfway done. The yolks are about halfway cooked from the underside, but it still looks like sunny side up. We'll call that good on the eggs here. I like how they have a nice little crust around the bottom, little brown, coming together. We'll offset those right there. And then that lends itself well to a nice blob, dollop, or spoonful of guacamole kind of right in this area. Looking good? Tasty? Great way to start your day. If you don't have chorizo in your diet, you're missing out, all right? Life isn't the same without it. This has been chorizo, sweet potato hash with eggs cooked under easy, a little bit of guac, and an old school 80s garnish. I'm Paleo Nick, here in the test kitchen, doing what I can to help you keep it paleo.